layer storage box that we got here. It's a nice plastic design. It's really handy and it is really durable. So right now I store a bunch of tools in this bag, and as you can see, it's not necessarily easy to find anything that I'm looking for. So I'm really looking forward to going ahead and getting everything organized and getting everything set up in here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. It's got a real nice handy latch that's going to keep everything secure on the top of this box here. So you can see as it opens up nice. This storage box I'm just going to use for some tools around the house, but you know, if you wanted to use it as a tackle box or fishing supplies, obviously that's another option for that. You can set out all your lures and all your other good stuff there, or whatever you really want to put in the box. That's going to help you organize things and get you set up the way you need to. It's really also handy is it comes with two little plastic containers that are nice, and they're going to be really durable. I'm going to go ahead, I have a bunch of screws and anchors that we're going to go ahead and put into here and help kind of secure everything and make sure everything is easily located and found real nice. So on this box you can see it's got more than just one point to help hold it up. It's going to be really sturdy. It's got two front, one in the rear, little stanchions to help everything kind of open up and hold up. It's actually really fairly deep in here, so it's going to help hold bigger objects. You know, if you have a small drill or anything along those lines, you can go ahead and put it in. So we'll just go ahead and we'll just kind of pull everything out of all this stuff that I have in my box currently. Easy. All right, so as you can see, I just have a whole mess of different tools that are just kind of scattered in here, and whenever I want to find something to fix something around the house, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So we're just going to kind of just get everything sort of organized in here. And there's a bunch of different little spots that'll hold different tools of different variety that you like, and it gives you a real nice place to find everything. So you can set your screwdrivers up top. It's real nice. Your real small screwdrivers will fit into these little individualized places. Some tape, some electrical adapters, stuff like that. So you can see I'm getting rid of that thing. And now here's the part that I'm really excited about. And it's all these screws and these anchors. You can see how this box is just falling apart. These anchors and these screws always end up all over the place. Half the time they fall out of the bag, and that's never good. So whatever you're looking for, your anchors or your screws, we're gonna get rid of that too. So I'm about done with those. So now we're gonna open that up. We're gonna separate all these anchors and these screws out. Make it really handy to find. And I'm still dropping anchors. Get this other box open. We'll get some of these screws in there. Because you know you always have screws and anchors laying around. Most people have a drawer in their kitchen it's just full of junk. This box will solve all that problem. They lock real nice and handy, and they're not going to go anywhere. We'll stick those down in the bottom of that box, and likewise here. It's going to hold all your screws in one nice location, so we're going to shut that up and just lock this thing. Saves a lot of space right here, so you can see how it's kind of locking in. It's just making everything real nice. It locks in, really handy, nice carry handle. It's going to keep things secure and in a nice, tight, concise area. So I'm pretty excited about it. Now I can actually go find the tools that I'm looking for. You know, when I'm looking for a screwdriver, it's right here. I got a screwdriver. So definitely think you should go get one for yourself. I appreciate you watching.